Great. I need your attention, Mercedes. Today we're going to talk about something, but unlike I usually do, I'm not going to tell you what it is we're going to talk about today. I'm going to make you figure it out. I'm going to give you some tips or some hints. And those are called examples and non-examples. Now, if I can get, let me get my clicker working here, get my screen going. Hold on, I gotta get my clicker working. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I'm going to give you examples and non-examples of what it is we're going to be talking about today. What is I want you to know? Here's some examples. Take a minute and look at those. Shapes. Hold on, I'm gonna start with, I got some shapes. What else does anybody think? Raise your hand. What do you think they are? What do you think?
Oh, I see a rectangle.
Oh, you gotta raise your hand. What is it? What do you think, Alex? Oh, okay. So you think it's colors? Let me show you the non-examples before you get any more. Here's the non-examples. Mercedes?
They not all different colors, they just one color.
So we had the same color, different color. What else? What is the difference?
They're different shapes.
Well, they're different shapes. Remember, there's no bad ideas. What do you think the example shows and the non-example doesn't show? Jermaine? Oh, what do you think?
The examples don't have a circle on there, and the non-examples do.
Circle. So just we leave it with different shapes. Different shapes. Remember, I want to give you a hint. Shapes have names. Oh, Khadijah?
These are easy shapes to remember, like easier,
Okay,
like
so
we see all the time, but them are like other
we
kind
have
of shapes.
easy shapes, and then we have hard shapes, maybe?
And
Is that the name your teachers taught you in class?
no,
Easy shapes and hard shapes?
it's just a name for it, I forgot.
Uh-huh. There is a name. You think about it, and as you think about it, raise your hand. Anybody want to help out? Amy? You want to help out? Derek? Now they call this what shape is this?
Rectangle.
Oh, see, we know that name. But this isn't a rectangle, isn't it?
That's what,
That's
No.
that's,
Let's get some more work. Let's go back to our hypotheses that we're talking about. These are ideas that we've generated together. What do we think these are? So far we've got, well, one's easy, the others are hard shapes. These are just shapes over here, and that's all they are. They're the same color on one side, different on the other. They're different shapes. I challenge you to count the sides on all those shapes. Khadijah's got it in her hand. 1 second. Give them all a chance.
I thought it,
Shh, 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 shh.
I know.
Khadijah, what is it?
Is it congruent?
Not congruent. What is it, bud?
The example side has all four sides.
They have 4 sides. I'll use my red one still. They have 4 sides, but what are those called?
Squares.
Not. Squares are all the exact same length. 4 sides, same length. What are those called, Jermaine? Somebody.
Lines of symmetry.
Not lines of symmetry. Not corners.
They, on this side has four perimeter.
For perimeter. Shalaya, what do you think those are called? Huh? What do you think those are called, Shalaya? What do you think? Huh?
Acute parallelogram.
Not a parallelogram, what do you think?
Acute angle.
No, leave the angles alone.
Correct.
What are they called? Who just said this? Derek. I'm switching to the whole blue one for you. Quadrilateral. These are all quadrilaterals because they have four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides do each sides have here?
Which one?
These all have, what do these have? Khadijah?
0, 5, 3, 3, 6.
Did you just call this zero sides?
Yeah.
That's perfect. These are my examples
Non.
of
Non-quadrilateral.
non-quadrilaterals. Now, I did this a couple days ago when I was thinking about the lesson. And it's not easy to do what I want you to do. I'm going to give you a sheet. And it says name and date. Remember, I can't give you your grade without name and date. Quadrilateral, 3 boxes. Non-quadrilateral, 3 boxes. You are going to write down the name of the object that is a quadrilateral, or the shape you see that is a quadrilateral, and draw it. And over here you're going to write the shape down, or the name of the shape you're trying to tell me, and try and draw a picture of it. If you see 4, you can do the next one on the bottom. Pass one of these up there, bud.